This is a dynamic way to stretch your lat muscles. The lat muscle is found right here on the back side of the rib cage, and it attaches here to the top of the pelvis. This is a dynamic lat stretch. Our target tissue is going to be our latissimus dorsi muscle, which is found on the top of the pelvis here, and it comes up the side of the ribs towards the back, and then it wraps underneath and attaches to the front of your shoulder. So we're going to be targeting that muscle and to stretch it out. So here we go. We're going to be using a foam roller. And what you're going to do is you're going to go sit onto your heels. So what we're going to target is my left lat muscle. You're going to place your right hand down on the mat using your forearm, and you're going to keep your left one right on the mat or on the foam roller, and you're going to roll it out just like this, and then bring it on back, keeping your elbow tucked into the side, keeping your thumb facing up towards the ceiling, and you're going to roll it out. You should be feeling the stretch right through here on your shoulder. Then as you get comfortable with this, you're going to start turning your thumb towards the left, putting your palm up towards the ceiling, and you're going to repeat. Really trying to push your hand out in front, trying to reach the wall straight ahead from you, and bring it back. Trying to keep that hand turned up so your palm is facing upward, and that will maximally stretch the lat muscle. And that is a dynamic stretch for your lat muscle.